Alright guys, so this is going to be the Fibonacci section of the course. This is very, 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 very fucking important. Take as many notes as you can. Pay attention to this. It's very simple stuff, but it's very, very important when trading, okay? I have to sneeze. I can feel it coming. So if I sneeze on you guys, I'm sorry. Okay? I don't have the fucking coronavirus. Look, I don't think I do. So, this is your Fibonacci right here. I told you put it in your toolbox earlier in the video, or earlier in this course, so there it is right there, Fibonacci retracement, okay? How are you going to draw your Fibonacci? You're going to draw it from the main push, okay? The main push. Look at this push to the upside. From here to here, you have a main push. So you draw your Fibonacci from here. Oh my God, my mouse. From here to here, okay? I'm bringing it over here so you can see it throughout the whole chart. But all I did was draw it from here to the top, okay? From this to the top of this wick, because this is where I see a main push created up. Now, look at the rejection on the 0.50 and the 0.618 zone. If I mark this zone up, you're going to see the rejections all across this. This is a huge sign of this reversal. So watch this. Boom! Played in this zone for a little bit and shot up for major 145 pips minimum. Shot up for, right? So let's go find you some other ones. Let's see if this is one right here. You can see market structure going up, and then it breaks down with a solid push from here to here. As you can see, boom, market push from right there down. Do we have that rejection? Yes, we do have that rejection. Look at it barely kissed it, but it still rejected the zone. If you would have entered right here, boom, look at the droppage there. Over 100, probably like 90 pips right there dropped. Huge rejection and drop, okay? Let's see if we have one right here. Just mark this up from this push. No, we don't have a rejection here, but we do have a 382 rejection, which is also a major number. So if you see it reject 382, it could also be a good sign. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys some more examples so you guys can really understand what I'm saying here, okay? So, see if I can find any more examples for you folks. Bear with me. This is where the markets kind of got ugly because of the stupid coronavirus, but it's okay. Let's see. This could be one right here. And look, they're not always pretty, but they work. You have a push to the upside from here to here, right? You have multiple rejections near this zone. And then guess what? Boom, from here to here, 120 pips. Profit right there off of that rejection. Can you trade the Fibonacci by itself? Absolutely. But if you use this Fibonacci with other different techniques, such as your trend lines, but not only look at this, we have our trend line, we have our support, then we draw our Fibonacci, we see the rejections in that zone. I told you I was going to sneeze. Damn it. You see the rejections near that golden zone, and you're on some support, and you see the trend. Oh my God, you have 3 confirmations. This is a beautiful setup. Fibonacci is amazing, okay? Set your Fibonacci up like I did earlier in the setup part, and you're going to see some beautiful things here with this Fibonacci. Once again, I'm drawing it from this push because I see this push up. The push stopped there, waited for it to test that zone, boom, test that gold zone, gone. Very simple. Study, take notes, pay attention, watch the video again. Fibonacci is very important.